Hi, KOG here. Today's my first day checking out B1A4 Rewind. Uh, Checking out, B1A4 song or reacting to one. This is my first one. I have heard quite many B1A4 songs though. Because my daughter, I used to stand B1A4. Uh, who was her bias? I don't. At that time, she was a teenager. She didn't really want to talk to me about K-pop, but it was very clear that she was standing B1A4. Now, and actually, because of that, I'm working with my daughter right now. Uh, that has something. It's a startup, but that has something to do with like videos and things like reactions and stuff, and in YouTube. And because I've been interested in K-pop and reaction videos and things like that for a while, and so was my daughter. So uh, we ended up working together. Anyway, that being aside, I'm pretty surprised that they're making a video now. It's been a while. I thought that they disbanded. So its name of the song is Rewind. So I'm thinking it's pretty must be like retro or something. Here we go. Oh my god. The beginning part, that sounds like something from the 80's. K-pop. Huh. Like even like Soteji and like right after that was so reminiscent. So I guess then I thought it'll be they'll be rewinding to uh like their earlier works, but this sounds more like rewinding way back. This part. 세포들이 내게 널 잡으라고 신호를 보내 이상해 나도 모르게 찰나의 순간 반응해 나의 모든 게 우리만의 모델이 조명이 하나둘 시켜지고 거리는 심장 소리에 또 하나 춤추고 약속할게 난 이 꿈이 깨도 난 Rewind, rewind 시간을 돌려서 어젯밤 속으로 시계바늘을 돌려 어젯밤 속으로 찰나의 순간이었던 그때의 꿈으로 깰 수 없는 꿈을 꾼데도 그곳에 갇혀버린다 해도 Rewind, rewind 시간을 돌려서 밤 속으로 집중할 때 그 어디쯤 그리 날 끌어당기는 뷰 Well, the song is about like rewinding time, but not like long time ago, but like last night and when I met you and like that type of a thing with the girly boy girl stuff. However, so many things here are like retro. Who uses like an MP player, MP4 player and things like that? It's just it feels so, I don't know, to me, and nostalgic. 이상의 모든 것을 보여주는 너 like a You are so beautiful 이 꿈의 절대적 한계를 넘어 뚜렷한 느낌의 너 거짓말이어도 좋아 지금 너와 우리만의 무대 위 조명이 하나둘 시켜지고 웅거리는 심장 소리에 또 하나 춤추고 약속할게 난 이 꿈이 깨도 난 Rewind, rewind 시간을 돌려서 밤 속으로 시계바늘을 돌려 어젯밤 꿈속으로 찰나의 순간이었던 그때의 꿈으로 깰 수 없는 꿈을 꾼데도 그곳에 갇혀버린다 해도 Rewind, rewind 시간을 돌려서 어젯밤 속으로 전화지마 괜찮아 난 여기 있어 이 꿈에서 They're all Jedis?
너와 만나는 secret number 불러줄게 어서 여기 내 손잡고 난 웃어줘 그리고 말해 say something You are so beautiful 가지 있는 지금 remarkable say You are so wonderful 지금 네 꿈에서 깨어난데도 say 지금 꿈에서 깨어난데도 시계 바늘을 돌려 어젯밤 꿈속으로 찰나의 순간이었던 그때의 꿈으로 깰 수 없는 꿈을 꾼데도 그곳에 갇혀버린다 해도 Rewind, rewind 시간을 돌려서 마음속으로
You know, the song itself is really it's not like it doesn't sound old at all. It's done. It feels very modern, but you know what? The instrumentals and what gives it away is is okay. A little bit of visual cues, but I think it's the chorus. You guys should like if you listen to the chorus. It is so like 80s and 90s K-pop. And if you guys listen to those, K-pop from those times, you guys would know what I'm talking about. And especially the chorus part. It's so retro. It says, and even the dancing thing, doing, that is no who does they don't do that anymore. So this was very nostalgic, and it's a good song, man. Beginning of this 2024, I'm checking out. This is like seventh song that I'm checking out, but it's kind of weird. It's just like all the songs are like back to basics, or a little more retro K-pop. No cyber craziness or anything like that. It's just so far, overall, that must be a trend these days, or at least 2024, maybe. Anyway, that was really enjoyable. I wonder if my daughter's gonna watch this. But anyway, thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.